Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize per key RGB colors on G512 X keyboard. So to customize your keyboard key by key, you're gonna have to use the freestyle effect in the G HUB application. So connect your keyboard to your computer and open its panel, customization panel within the software. Then go to freestyle menu. Here you're gonna have to select one of the effects or create a new effect if you want to create your own personal freestyle. We can also rename it by tapping the pencil icon and add in some personalized name. Then we can color each key either using this tool, which will let us color keys one by one. We simply have to select the key, select the color right here, and then select the color that we want to use for it. Then select the following key and change the color for this key as well. And this way you can colorize each key separately. If you want to select multiple keys at once, you have to select this key. After that, select the color right here and click each key that you want to color. Or you can also make a selection like this and color each key within the selection. Besides, you can also color some groups of keys, which you can find here. To do that, you're gonna have to first select the color once again. We can, by the way, use some of the preset colors. We have G Signature, Vibrant, Pastel colors. And once we have selected the color, we can select the group of keys, click on it, and they will be colored. And once you finish, the preset will be saved and we can already see the results on our keyboard. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.